Welcome back to Adventures in Freeze Drying. Today, the rest of this video will end up being voiced over. I got a brand new device for recording and the microphone I had will not work with this device. So my next video, I'll be back on microphone. So just so you know, the rest of this is voiced over. You will need a handful of ingredients to make the zucchini patties. You'll need zucchini, onion, a couple eggs, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of flour. I have already pre-shredded zucchini and chopped up an onion. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of flour, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of pre-shredded Parmesan cheese, followed by a 1/4 cup of my mozzarella cheese. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and 1 egg at a time, add my eggs to my mixture. Followed by a medium to small onion completely chopped up. And finally add some salt and then my pepper to taste. Now we'll mix this up really good with a fork. Now that these are mixed up really well, we're going to go ahead and add by a heaping tablespoonful to a preheated indoor grill, and we'll let this cook for 2 minutes. Now we will go ahead and flip these over and let them cook for an additional 2 minutes. I am spreading these out on my trays as they come off of the grill. I am not using parchment for this because I am not worried that these will stick. I will still be pre-freezing these before I put them in my freeze dryer. I am just a little over 11 hours of extra dry time, with my total drying time being 23 hours so far. So that means that these took roughly 12 hours for the machine to say they were done. So we're going to go ahead and open the machine and check it out. These feel hard and crisp like a hard cracker. These are actually quite hard, but they're actually pretty good. I would say this is a win. They taste very good. You can eat these just like this. You may be able to rehydrate them, but it'll be a slow rehydration and then a reheat on your griddle again. Thank you for joining me at Adventures in Freeze Drying.